Kinakabahan ako. Hindi siya white background.
Beige.
Cream siya.
Beige.
Ano kaya ang regalo sa ating dayas ni Boss Alex?
Tama na, ikaw na.
Na-stress ka na?
I don't want.
No, baby, you're so good.
No.
Promise.
I'm just gonna go to the bathroom and...
Okay, my love. Okay.
Whatever.
Bye. Thank you, Boss Alex. Thank you, Boss Alex. Thank you, Boss Alex. Thank you, Boss Alex. Yay! Happy birthday to me! Happy birthday to me! Happy birthday to me, guys! Happy birthday! Happy birthday to me! Happy birthday, Cleo! Happy birthday! Thank you, Alex! Thank you so much, Boss Alex. Bumabawi na si Boss Alex sa atin. Thank you so much, Boss Alex. I'm so very, very, very happy. Thank you, Boss Alex. Thank you so much. Feeling ko ipapa 100k niya pa yan. Ay! Lord. Siyempre, di ba may tubo na kapag na-late? Hi, Juvie! Na-reach mo na ba? Hindi pa po eh. Hindi pa ako reach sa quota. Pero, may ilang araw pa naman, pero, tas 200k. Depende sa'yo. Hindi naman ako choosy eh. Depende sa kakayahan ng isang Boss Alex. Guys, anong magandang gawin ito sa painting ko? Ibenta ko ba to o ano? Hindi ko rin nga alam ba't ako nagpe-paint eh. Hindi ko rin alam kung bakit. Sent ba't halat? Grabe naman yung times 99B. Guys, tulungan nyo naman si Boss Alex mag-drop, di ba? Tulungan naman natin siya. Gawin mo na lang wall art niya dagdag. Ganun nga. Ilalagay nga namin siya dun. Hi, Papa Jam. Bilin ko to. Anong bilin mo to? Papakita ko sa inyo. Kasi hindi pa tapos. Nag-change kasi ako ng ano. Pinalitan ko kasi yung background. Ayan na siya. Yun. Yung painting ko, hindi pa siya tapos eh, pero gusto ko nang matapos kaya tinatapos ko siya. Diba? Kesa yung pink yung background niya, mas okay na yung ngayon, no? Kwentuhan nyo naman ako kung kamusta na kayo, guys. Very artistic ka talaga. Thank you. And sana hindi ito yung huling painting na gagawin ko kasi ito talaga yung passion ko dati, kami ni Kuya. Eh, syempre pag tumatanda ka na hindi mo na masyadong na focusan yung ganun. 'Di ba? Try ng mga bagay. Kaya guys, kamusta ka, Boss Alex? Mukhang na busy ka. Mukhang na busy si Boss Alex natin ah. Sayang, Boss Alex, nakita mo sana yung surprise nila sa akin ng birthday ko. Ayos lang naman. Oo, andito kasi ako sa mga... Andyan yung buong pamilya mo sa ano? Sa ibang bansa? Andyan ba kayo lahat? Tas iba-iba lang kayo ng bahay, ganun. Nice. Wait, anong ginagawa mo sa mga kapatid mo? May okasyon ba kayo? Or merong may birthday? Hi, Jon Snow. Banding muna kayo bago ko umuwi. Pauwi ka ng Pinas. Kailan ka pauwi? Wow, magbabakasyon pala si Boss Alex. Kailan ka pauwi? Next week! Wow. Magpapakita ka ba sa amin? Anong gagawin mo dito pala? May ganap ka ba? Wala nga. Why not? Yun pala eh. Mamimit ka na namin. Sorry, naka-focus talaga ako dito. Pero gusto ko talaga kasi mag-live kasi, di ba magbibisi kami ulit. Ayoko nang ma-feel yung last month na naghahabol talaga ako sa quota. So, hanggat maaga ako, gusto ko nang matapos. Para hindi na tayo stress. Hanggang kailan ba yan? Hanggang end ng month yung quota. Pero since busy kasi, mabibisi talaga kami ng sobra. Gusto ko nang matapos. Kasi 'di ba last month tanda mo kung hindi kita nakilala hindi ako makakakota. Promise. Saktong-sakto yung dating mo talaga nun kasi buzzer beater ako. Hi Brian Lee. Buzzer beater ako ng mga panahong yun. Dahil medyo kinulang din ako sa effort nung time na yun. Hi Goldwyn Garcia. Hello po. Iniisip ko kung paano ko lalagyan yung mga sobrang malapit na sa line. Hello po sa mga bagong pasok. Nag-auction po tayo. Update, malapit ko na siyang matapos. Baka dagdagan ko ng butterfly to. Dito. Kulang ng something dito eh. Hi, oh my Venus! Magdagdag tayo ng butterfly. Kumain na ba kayo, guys? Si Boss Kim nga rin, hindi nakadaan ng birthday ko eh. Ba't ko tumatawa, Neil? Hi, Mr. Marupok. Maganda at paglagyan mo ng lizard. Uy, wag naman lizard. Mauubos yung butterfly natin pag may lizard. Kakainin na nung lizard yung butterfly. Diba? Gusto ko nga matuto ng yung mga realistic art. Gusto kong matuto ng shading, yung tamang paglalagay ng highlights, ganyan. Kaso wala naman akong time. Wala naman tayong time para mag-aral ulit. Kaya na lang. Trial and error na lang tayo. Di ka na mag-vlog ulit. May vlog ako, abangan mo, i-upload ko. Magkakasama kami nila kuya, abangan mo yun. Turuan mo. Marunong ka? Turuan mo nga ako. Gusto ko ng mga pang-realistic. Yun, mag-upload ako. Nung birthday na yun. Abangan mo, Alex. Mahilig ka sa vlog, no? Huwag ka mag-alala, pabalik na tayo doon. Pabalik na ulit sa pag-vlog. Oo, nakakalimang manood. Mag-suggest kayo ng content para makapag-upload kami. Baka may mga gusto kayong content na makita, di ba? Magagawa namin. Baka lang meron. Pag meron, huwag kayong mahiyang magsabi. Huwag mahihiyang magtanong. Charing. Kung may right med ba nito. Wait lang medyo seryoso talaga ako dito. Mostly pinapanood ko yung gusto mo talaga yung nakakalibang para tanggal pagod. Panoodin mo kaya yung prank sa akin ni Mahal, yung yung sinasapian prank siya, nakakatawa yun. Baka mabetan mo. Baka mabetan mo lang. Hi Iris! Guys, ipa 100k nyo na ako, please. Para hindi na tayo mahirapan sa quota natin. Nag-exhibit daw si Asher ng paint. Ay, talaga? Nice one, Asher. Hindi ka bago umalis, mag-swimming kami ngayon eh. Ay, sana all may swimming. Wow! Thank you so much, Alex! Thank you, Boss Alex. Let's go. Thank you so much, Boss Alex. Isa kang hulog ng langit. Let's go. Let's go. Thank you so much, Boss Alex. Yay! Thank you so much. Let's go. Happy 100K. Thank you so much, Alex. Yay! Yay! Alam mo, Alex, thank you so much talaga dahil one call away siya. Chinat ko lang siya kanina, sabi ko, Boss Alex, kailan ka makakadahan? Ganyan-ganyan. Kasi 'di ba sabi ko daan siya sa birthday kasi siya nakadaan. Sa ngayon, pumunta siya agad tapos ayan oh, walang kahirap-hirap. Thank you so much, Boss Alex. Mag-enjoy po kayo sa birthday niyo and abangan niyo yung vlogs namin ni Mahal. Sana mag-enjoy kayo sa pa-swimming niyo. Thank you so much, Boss Alex. Hi, baby. Ingat ka, Boss Alex. Baby, hello. Okay lang ba guys na nagpa-paint ako habang nag-live? Thank you, baby. Bye, Boss Alex. Enjoy. Enjoy po. So, ano na pag-uusapan natin, guys? Anong gusto niyong pag-usapan? Wait lang. Papatuyuin ko muna ako. Usapin ko muna kayo. Dahil, andun na ako sa mga part na mahirap ng abutin. Kailangan munang patuyuin. Hays. Next time, mas galing mo po naman thank you, hi Claim. Next time talaga lesson learned kapag magpe-paint ako ulit. May make sure ko muna yung gusto kong kulay sa background para hindi na ako nag-uulit. Kasi ang hassle mag-ulit ng background, promise. Sobrang hirap. Kailangan mo talagang daanan lahat ng details na ginawa mo. Kaya next time, hindi na ako mag-uulit ng background talaga. Ang hassle. Nakakatakot. Kasi mamaya mamalian ko yung iba, hindi ko na alam paano ko aayusin to. Siyempre naman, maganda talaga yung DP ko dyan. Cute, ikaw, sa'yo nang galing pati yan. Yan, kinuha ko yan doon sa bati mo sa akin ng birthday ko eh. Saya-saya natin dyan. Alam nyo ba guys, nung surprise sa akin ng Warleo, sobrang nakukitan ako kay Mahal kasi parang birthday niya din. Cute-cute niyan tingnan. Para siyang baby. Sarap amoy-amoyin. Sunsilk endorser. Pink na pink kami eh, no? Oo nga eh. Kaso ang hirap eh. Pero, lesson learned na siguro to. Make sure mo muna gusto mo yung kulay ng background. Minsan kasi, pag nakita mo na yung final output ng mo, minsan kailangan mo talagang makita mo nang matapos bago mo makita kung ano yung mas maganda. 'Di ba? Ayoko naman na natapos lang. Hahayaan ko na. Syempre gusto ko yung the best. Hindi tayo gagawa ng basta-basta lang. Kaya na pa ako sa CR. Ano nangyayari sa'yo? Nahihirapan ka bang ilabas? Ha? Nahihirapan ka bang maglabas? O ano? Oo. Ano lang, relax mo lang yung mo. Relax mo lang yung put mo. Hi, Vicky Box! Tulungan yun. Sabihan mo lang ako, hihilain ko yan. Pag di talaga lumabas, tawagin mo ako, hihilain ko yan. What's up? Ay, tulong pa sa pa. Operahin natin. Magga-gloves lang ako, tanggal yan. Sabihan mo ako. Or ito makakatulong dyan. Gano'n-gano'n ka lang lalabas yan, promise. Hindi. Lalabas yan 'pag ano ako kasi hindi totoo yun baby, gano'n ginagawa ko 'pag nahihirapan akong umano, umetyas. Effective pa rin. 'Di ba dati pambata lang yun, sa'kin effective pa rin. Alam mo bakit ka nahihirapan mahal? Hindi ka kasi nagtutubig. Hindi ka kasi nagtutubig, eh. I mean nagtutubig ka pero kulang. Nagtubig na nga. Naririnig kita, "Lo, nagtubig na nga." Nagtutubig ka pero kulang pa. Kulang pa. Sakit. Kawawa naman yung mahal ko. Sakit ng puso mo, ba't naman? Ba't naman sasakit ang puso? Kawawa naman yung puwet ni mahal. Anong kailangan? May kailangan ka ba? May kailangan ba? Sabihan mo lang ako. Petites. Mahal kasi, eh. Magtutubig ka na after niyan, lesson learned na 'yan. Saglit lang, nanginginig yung kamay ko, B. Ano 'to? Suppository. Hindi yan, lalabas yan, ano mo lang, ka lang, gano'n. Mawawala yan. Mawawala, lalabas yan. Eh, 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 eh. Wait lang, wait lang. Mahal na-accept na kita. Hello? Hello?
Hello?
Mahal. Anong kailangan? May kailangan ka? Ha? Baka marinig nila yung hulog ng tae mo, ah.
Wala pa nga eh.
Wala pa ba? Mahal, I miss you. Ang tagal-tagal mo naman diyan. Ay, nawala. Asan yung ka-video call ko? Guys, ano na, si Boss Alex lang magdo-drop. Talaga? Hi, Famzel. Cheer up, ma. Guys, i-manifest natin lahat ngayon. As in, ngayon na namatay na si Mahal. May napi-feel na akong softness. Manifesting malabas na ni Mahal yung kanyang etchas. Thank you, Famzel. Para hindi na siya mahirapan, guys. I-manifest na natin. Mahal, makipiki ka, sayang dice mo. Oo nga eh, sayang nga. Okay lang yan. Wala rin naman na akong mapipiki eh. Sino pwede i-PK? Oo nga, eh, that nga nakipiki ako ng birthday ko. Kasi hindi ko na naisip yun kasi gusto ko lang silang makausap ng birthday ko. Medyo kulang ako sa pag-iisip actually. No? Baby, kung nakipiki ka ng video mo. Sayang! Hi, Arjen! Sayang. Dapat, di ko nga naisip yun ng birthday ko, promise. Di sana may makukuha din ako, no? Hi, Arjen. Magpipiki ba ako ngayon? Tingin nyo. Kasi pwede naman yung nakapiki ka habang BDA 1M yun. Oo nga eh. Magpipiki ba ako ngayon? Gusto nyo ba? Sino pwedeng ka-PK? Sino pwedeng i-PK? Walang pwedeng i-PK eh. Don't trust nobody to mama got in. All this time I lay. Hi guys. Nai-stress na ako, di ko alam kung paano ko to tatapusin. Mamaya na nga. Patuyuin ko muna. Baka may maisip pa akong bago, baguhin ko na naman. Hi Deza! Sayang yung 100k ko na PK ko nga sana. Solid talaga to si Alex. For this... Bakit? Bakit? Si Siren, magka-apelido lang. Magka-apelido lang kami, hindi po kami magkaano-ano eh. Bakit? Ikaw? Halika dito. May umiiyak eh. Mami! Tawagin mo na nanay mo. Mami, miss na kita. Kayo na pa tumahalaga antay sa pintuan. Ngayon lang umiyak. Ngayon lang nagpakarga. Siguro narinig ka niya sa akin. Miss mo mami mo. Hi, BP! Patingin ng paint ko. Ito. Wait lang. Binago ko yung background eh. Ayun pa ako. Sorry. Ang pangit yung pa ako eh. Tatapusin pa natin. Pag ba nakipag-PK ako, magdadrop kayo, guys. Sige nga, i-PK mo nga ako, BP. Para yung mga... Oo, kahit sino, kahit sino. But, si ano nga, hindi rin dumaan sa akin si Kim Pauline. Si Kim Pauline. Busy ata si Ayla. Wala siya sa live ko ngayon eh. Nag-live kinabuka. Sino? Sino nag-live? Nag-live siya. Bakit siya nag-live? Hi, user. Nakauwi na ba yun dito sa Pinas ngayon? ₱21 pa. Hindi kasi yun makakadaan busy, di ba? Busy sa kanyang pag-uwi. Kaya hindi talaga siya makakadaan. Na-understand ko naman, na-understand. Na-understand ang konyo. Ano na guys, si Boss Alex lang talaga magdo-drop sa akin. Grabe na kayo, ang sakit niya sa heart. Ang sakit-sakit niya sa heart. For this time I lay, we celebrate. And wala rin naman kasi magda-drop. Oo. Siniksik na yung yung mukha sa binti ko. Matatapos ko na yung painting ko. Pag natapos ko to, anong gagawin ko dito? Hi, Nachoyo! What's up? Oo nga, 101. Hi, Sariel! Bebenta ko. Hi, Nachoyo! Good morning! Where are you from? Because right now, in my location, it's already midnight. Midnight? It's already nighttime. Oh, Kali. San Francisco. Thank you so much, Nachoyo. You're from San Francisco, California. Is it hot in is it hot in San Francisco, California? Hi, Bena. Oh, it's hot. Wait lang, guys. Nag-i-snow ba dun? Do you guys experience snow in San Francisco? No? Hi, Ekang. Don't snow here in Cali. Oh, so it's always summer in California? Or do you experience winter, like cold weather like that? Oh, okay. So right now, I'm I'm on live, but I'm currently painting something. Look, there, there. I changed the ano. I changed the background of my painting because pink doesn't suit the body and the butterflies. So I changed it to beige. Is it beige or cream? I changed it to that color so the painting will pop and the colors will pop. Is it your first time here, Nachoyo? Hi, 12711. Hi. Oh, this is not your first time. But wait, let me check your account. This is not your first time, but this is your first time to drop. You just don't attention. No, because sometimes people come and go. They don't say something. They just drop by in my stream, and when people do that, I don't remember them because they don't talk to me. They just you know. Hi, D Gram. But now my attention is you have my full attention now. So hi, Nachoyo. Nice to meet you. So glad you said that right. I was about to say DG rump, but I realized there's no such word as rump. So D grump. So D grump. Maybe you're grumpy in the morning. Oh, you're driving. Drive safe, Nachoyo. You're grumpy in the morning. Why are you grumpy? What's the reason of you being grumpy? Because sometimes I'm also grumpy in the morning, especially when I don't get coffee or because I have a bad dream. Hi, Army. I have a flight today and woke up to a possible delay. Did you set an alarm? Yeah, grumpy. I get grumpy when nobody's when nobody's dropping. Wala pala. Wala pa din. Kawawa naman ng mahal ko. Puntahan ba kita dyan? Pupuntahan ba kita dyan? I ain't late. It's that there's a storm coming to where I'm landing. Oh, so your flight is delayed. It's okay. It's okay. You just have to wait a little bit more in in the airport. But waiting in the airport is so boring. Kawawa naman mahal ko. Anong kailangan gawin, mahal? Sakit? Wait mo lang. Wag mong piliting i-ire. Wait mo lang siya lumabas ng kusa. I'm prepared that my Switch and my chargers. What Switch? Nintendo Switch? Oh, I played Nintendo Switch. I forgot what that game is. But I was very hooked to that game. What's that? What game is it? The character is Link. Am I right? The character is Link. Oh yeah, Zelda. That was a very good name. That was a very good game. But yeah, Breath of Wild. But hi Dimple, but I haven't finished it yet cuz some of the some of the stages are so hard that I cannot finish it, but the story is very good. That it's not easy, especially when you have to solve some puzzle that looks kind of impossible. But why ate speaking? Kasi may kausap ako. I accident. Really? Sometimes, sometimes, sometimes when I'm about to finish the game, the You speak Tagalog. Ayun, sometimes 'pag matatapos ko na yung ano, 'pag matatapos ko na yung stage, dun pa ako matatalo. So, I have to repeat the whole level again just because just because natalo ako sa ending. Kaya pala mag-Tagalog ni Digigram, Diyos ko ka. I should have opened with that. Ay naku ka. Do you know that charis. Hi, Eloisa. My bad, my bad. It's okay. Yun nga, sobrang na-hook ako sa game na yung Zelda na yun. Pero, ngayon, di ko na siya nalalaro kasi nga, I'm really busy right now. Do you have any Switch recommendation, like game recommendation? They came out with Tears of the Kingdom. What do you mean they came out with Tears of? Is it a new game but still Zelda? Oh, that's nice. But I'm kind of not interested right now because I haven't finished the first one. Yes, I am a fan of Harvest Moon. Oh my god. Alam mo ba, since PlayStation 2 ayun na yung nilalaro ko. I mean, there's a Harvest Moon in Nintendo Switch. Do you let people guest up? Mm, I can't let right now I don't wanna let people get up because I'm still I'm still worried with my quota. But wait, answer me. There's a Harvest Moon in Nintendo Switch or PS4? Because oh my god. Hi Fave Gast. I'm a huge fan of Harvest Moon. Really. The last wait lang. Last Harvest Moon ko, yung kailangan niyang mag-ipon ng pera para hindi kunin yung town nila. Friends of Mineral Town. I'll check. I'll check. I'll check. I'll check because I really love Harvest Moon. Really. Nasa CR pa. You can have rabbits. Before you can only have cow, horse, and chicken. Now you can have rabbits. Wait, what's the ano? What's the challenge of the game? Kasi dun sa first Harvest Moon ko, you have to save up money so that your town will ano, hindi nila kukuhain yung town. Anong tanong mo, BP? Farmville lang alam ko. Yung Harvest Moon guys, sa ano yon sa PS, sa PlayStation. Ngayon ko lang nalaman na meron na siya sa Switch. Dati kasi, addict talaga ako sa mga PlayStation, sa computer games, sobrang addict talaga ako doon sa ganyan. Pero nakakaubos kasi ng oras. Mas addict ako sa, yee! Charing. Loko to si Dimple ah. Anong kontra? Jeez, this hotel Wi-Fi is pissing me off. You know what? Hotel Wi-Fi's are really slow because a lot of people are using it. Love you to Dimps. Super Mario, gusto ko rin yan. Tsaka mga Bomberman, ganyan. Thank you so much, Digram! Thank you so much, Digram. Maybe you, wow! Thank you so much, Digram. Thank you so much. Oh, you bought some coins and you're pissed with the Wi-Fi because it's mabagal. You know what? Even though the Wi-Fi is mabagal, you can always top up. It's okay. Wi-Fi is not an issue. And got these coins. What do you mean got these coins? Na I actually won some game. Oh, you're okay, okay. You just won some coins. That's good, huh? That's nice. Huh? Thank you for dropping the gram. Thank you for dropping. I will check the Harvest Moon later after this live. I just started 2 days ago. You started 2 days ago and you have your 31 your mango level is 31 already. Oh, maybe I'll follow you. You know you know what, the Gramp, you should level up your mango to 50. Because if you just created your profile 2 days ago and your account level is 31 already, that means you drop a lot of of coins. Maybe you can help me with my quota. Not really, but how come? Why is your level 31 na? Oo nga, kawawa nga si Mahal eh. Wala pa rin siya. Wait. Nakaidigram pa ang atin. Ano daw? I hang out with the big boys, I guess. Who's what do you mean big boys? You see the top one in campaign thing? We actually hang out. Top one in top two in what campaign? Nakaidigram pa ang attention. Ano na yun? Ano yun, Nicole Hutz? Ano yun? Ate Kulot na nga siya. Ano ba yun, Ate Kulot? This campaign? Dayas Koday? Because there's a lot of campaign here in Kumu. Not really sure. You hang out with the big boys, then maybe you can ask them to hang out here. Oh, the 100 Gcash thing. So wait, let me check it. Let me check who. Oh, Maria Corazon. Maria Corazon. Grapo. Gramo. You're talking about Maria. Ano? D Gram. Maria. Oh, Gram. Yep. Oh, you guys are friend or you support her in the top four as well. Let me check. I don't see it. Oh, yeah. You guys are friends. That's nice. That's nice. And I am happy that you're here na. Thank you, Digram. Thank you so much. Yay! Yay! Digram, by the way, I followed you. Hi, Yushi Takashi. Thank you so much, Digram. Because you know what, Digram, I have this quota every month. And I'm still very far from it. Don't go out yet. We're very happy to talk to you. For real, for real. Kawawa naman, mahal ko. Oh, whatever they are. No, I mean, I think I'm out of them. Oh, you're out of coins. You know what, the gram, you can always top up. You can always top up and Coda shop. Baby, nag-reply ako. Hi, Foam Valley. Yeah, try Kumu Photoshop. Probably when I get home. Do you promise that when you get home you will still watch my live? Hi, Eloisa Joy Ferrer. What time will get home? Yeah, what time will you get home? Cause maybe I'm still on live that time. Oh, what other app? Oh, so you're a streamer. So you're a streamer as well. Paano ka napunta dito sa Kumu? Like, yeah, my friends just dragged me here. Oh, okay. So the Gramp is. So you're ano pala a streamer din. They said I need to try Michael. What contents do you do ba? What contents do you do in the in a daily life? In your daily life. Guys, that's gonna 120 na natin. Oh, big boy stuff. Like, hi Prince. Like, um, like fishing, shooting, gym mostly out. Oh, okay, I get it. Yeah, you should try some of your contents here. Maybe people will like it. Hi, CM! Guys, help nyo naman ako. For some reason, Kum is letting me post them though. Then you should try streaming here. You should you should try streaming here. Wait lang guys ha. I'll be back. Wait lang. Ayusin ko lang. Sige. Nadalan ko lang si Mahal ng gamit kasi punta ko CR. Katid ko yung gamit. I've been stuck with co-hosting with some of my friends. That's nice kasi makikilala ka na rin sa Kumu. With kaka-co-host mo sa friends mo, 'di ba? Nakaroon ka ng connections. Wait lang. Grab, they're asking what type of girl do you like? Hi, Favecast! Guys, help me reach my quota. Ooh. I got a horror story about LDR, so yeah. So yeah, he wants to be taken, but not with someone who's so far away. Am I right? Am I right? Am I right? Am I right? Di gram, wait for me. Maliligo na si Mahal. I could be a poser. Kulot is curly. Yeah, kulot is curly. Guys. This is the very first day. A guy with a bang. Hi, shuffle check. Oh, the shooting one. Yeah, that one's cool. I tried firing before, and it was so nice. It was a fun experience because at first I was so scared with guns because of course I might kill someone with gun, right? But when I tried using it, it's not that scary at all. Hi Zyper, it's not scary. It's scary when you don't. Yeah, it's scary when you don't know. Try mo dalhin si Madon mag-shooting kayo. Any kind of bang. Yeah, I'm painting. Here's my painting. I'm trying to finish it here because I changed the background. I changed the back. It's from pink to cream because it looks better with cream. So, we, di naman sakto lang. Do you guys want to see it? Kaya mo yan, Ate Yuja. Sana matapos ko na para tapos na ako dito. Pwede nang i-design. Feeling ko si Cool Hats naman magdodrop sa akin. Feeling nyo din ba, guys? Di na sila gagastos painting sa bahay. Hmm. Big Ram, maybe you can still help me with my campaign. Have a safe flight. Accidentally swiped. Oh, napatap. Still not used to this app. At first, it's kind of tricky, but when you get used to it, it's not that hard to use naman. You guys can see me. I'm painting here. Oh. I'm painting kasi I'm kinda focusing here. Eme mo, BP. Hoy, no name. Tigilan. Ay, mali. Hindi ka ganun, B. Lakas naman trip mo 1 month sa Japan. I got a bunch. 1 month sa Japan. Lakas naman. Ano? Since I got a bunch of leave, they say it takes a month, enjoy the culture. It's so expensive in Japan, ha? So, tapos you stayed in a month. 11-11. Perks of my job. What kind of job do you have for you to travel? Um, are you a time traveler? Secret. Yeah, I understand. It's okay. Guys, 120 na please. 30 days of paid leaves. Wow, that's nice, huh? Can go anywhere you want, tapos nababayaran ka pa din. That's nice. You're still paid even though you're just, traveling. Share the blessing naman. Share the blessing naman, Dgram. I just tell them, hey, I can go to work. Maybe, Dgram, you can, like, share the blessing to some streamers, like me. Right? Am I right, guys? Am I right? Wait, I'm focusing. I'm focusing. Share your blessing. The usual, I'm just standby at the office when I don't see my patients. Oh, wait. So you're patient. So you're like medical something like that. Hi, Annalisa. I miss you. It doesn't translate to civilian jobs, so I don't know how to. Oh, okay. It's okay. You don't have to explain it. It's your privacy. Guys, 120 nyo na ako. I'm a corpsman. No, that doesn't mean ideal. Oh, yeah. Okay, I understand na. I understand na. Guys, dropan nyo naman ako. It's just the way it's spelled make it sound wrong. See you. Hindi. Alam niyo yung mga nasa movie, yung mga nagbabantay ng, yung mga nurse na naka-assign sa ganon, sa baba. Tapos mag-autopsy, ganon. Kung anong cause of death, ganon. Guys, pa 120 naman. Sheesh, I'm a US Navy corpsman. Basically, I run my own. Oh, you're part of the US Navy. Wait lang guys ha. Guys, drop na kayo. D-Grump, maybe you can help me with my campaign. Turuan nyo nga guys mag-top up. First time na lang kasi dito sa Kumu eh. Go home na. Take care. Pinauwi na para makapag-drop na yun. I got much selling MV Chua selling me coins. What's the perks of buying in person than going to the website? By the way, I'm gonna end na in 5 minutes. I'm gonna end in 5 minutes, so no, it's not in person. I mean, you're gonna buy from a person. I don't have to deal with Kumu stuff. Oh, okay. D-Grap, I hope this is not the first time that you're gonna watch my stream because I don't want my card to be used for that. Oh, okay. Yeah, I understand. I understand. Maybe you can like drop before I end my life because I just had my birthday last August 16 and maybe you have like, a gift. 12 a.m. Tingnan natin. Tingnan natin. Unfortunately, I dropped what was left. That's sad. Maybe sometime you can like drop for me because you support. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Rem. You can use my card. No, hindi kayo magpapagamit ng card, B. Thank you so much. $120 na natin, guys. So, para sagad na. Kaya nga, guys, ano na. True. Mag-end na ako. Anyway, gotta pack up for my flight. See you guys later. Thank you so much, D-Gram, for dropping by and for dropping diamonds. And have a safe flight. And I hope this is not the first time. I mean, the last time that you're gonna go here. So, have a safe flight. Thank you so much. Guys, mag-end na rin ako kasi tatapusin ko na to. Hi, Dario Marquez. What's up? Hello. Hello to you. Bye-bye, guys. Tatapusin ko lang to. Bye-bye, bye-bye. Thank you so much. Thank you sa pag-English mo, baby. Bye, guys!